Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wondered how to put images directly into your tables in Notion, you're in the right place. In this full 2024 guide, I'm walking you step by step through the updated process for adding images to your Notion databases or table views. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to insert images into your tables, making your pages more visual and organized. Whether you're managing a project, tracking recipes, or curating a personal gallery. So let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to create a new table in your Notion workspace. The quickest way to do this is by typing / and then the word database or table view on any Notion page. So just hit the R key on your keyboard followed by database. You'll notice Notion instantly pops up a menu with different database options, like table, board, list, and so on. For most visual work, table view is a solid choice, as it gives you that spreadsheet-like layout where you can organize rows and columns easily. Select it, and Notion will generate a new table right there on your page. Once you've got your table set up, the next step is to make sure it can actually hold images, and that's where the Files and Media property comes in. Every table in Notion is made up of columns, and each column has a property type. This just means what kind of content you can store there, like text, dates, numbers, or in our case, images and files. If your table doesn't already have a column for images, don't worry. All you need to do is click the plus button to add a new column or edit an existing one. In the drop-down menu where you choose the property type, scroll down until you see Files and Media. Select that. It's designed specifically for storing images, videos, and other media files. Think of it as creating a drawer in your organizer that's meant for photos instead of papers. It keeps everything neat and in the right format. Now we're at the fun part, actually putting an image into the table. With your Files and Media column in place, just click into any cell under that column. Notion will give you a few options, like uploading a photo from your computer, dragging and dropping an image, or even pasting in a link to a web image. Go ahead and select your chosen method. If you're uploading from your device, just pick the file you want, and Notion does the rest, embedding it directly into your table row. You'll see a thumbnail appear right in the cell. If you're managing a product catalog, for example, each item can have its own image, making your data not only more attractive, but also much easier to scan visually. Don't worry if you're not seeing the perfect preview right away. Sometimes it takes a moment to update, or you might want to adjust how wide the column is so your images display clearly. And that's really all there is to it. You now have a Notion table that supports images, which opens up tons of possibilities for visual project management, meal planners, study trackers, and beyond. If you ever need to swap an image, just click the cell and replace or remove it. Nice and simple. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Notion feature you want to see covered next. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a guide. I've got loads more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.